Hello friends, welcome to my channel. As you can see my previous videos, in our Chardham Yatra, first day we spent in Haridwar, second in Yamunotri, third in Gangotri and today is the fourth day. And we headed off towards Kedarnath. Private helicopters does not run till Kedarnath temple, so we have to switch to another one at Sarsi helipad. We just landed from the second helicopter. This helipad is just behind the temple. The weather is not stable here and the air is too thin. It is situated in the Rudraprayag district of Uttarakhand. Kedarnath is the most remote pilgrimage spot in the Yatra. Let me tell you the brief history of Kedarnath temple. It is believed that originally the temple of Kedarnath was built by Pandavas and Adi Sankaracharya got the present structure constructed in the 8th century. Pandavas were searching for Lord Shiva to absolve themselves from their sins committed at the battlefield of Mahabharat. Lord Shiva was in no mood to forgive them so easily. So he converted himself into a bull and went to Grahwal side of Uttarakhand. On being found by the Pandavas, he dived into the ground. So Bhim started to pull it by its tail. In this tug of war, different parts of Lord came up at different places. Taken together, these 5 places are known as Panch Kedar. Pandavas got temple made at each of the 5 places. Luckily at that time there was Morari Bapu's Katha ongoing, so we had a chance to visit that too. After returning from Kedarnath, we headed to the hotel, then had lunch and rest for a bit. In the evening, we had visited Guptakashi and Kalimat temple. Thanks for watching guys, and don't forget to like, leave a comment below and subscribe my channel. Feel free to share this video too.